You're on the Merle Curlin YouTube channel, baby. Last day coming up. We're gonna be riding tomorrow. They're building a park over in Blitzen. They are currently building the pond skip right now in front of the fog. We are super excited. This is immediately, Merle's gonna work. We're gonna pack the car, dart to Vermont, going up to Stowe. We're going to meet the homies, Brian, Carrie, everybody's gonna be there. Caroline's coming, Kraus is coming. We got me, Merle, Schick, Kate, everybody. It's gonna be a good time. I hope you guys are ready for this. This is gonna be legendary. I hope we all make it back. Let's go.
What's up, y'all? We at the BAM doing BAM things.
Nice. The left side of Stowe looks really good right now.
They always said that
It's such a shit show out there. It's so good. It's not.
Hello, Zach.
How you doing, dude? Good. I'm excited.
Last day.
My mother. All right, the temperature is. What's up, people? We hate Israel. What up? For the first time in your life. Made it!
I fell.
Know your shame.
I've snowed water all about my
So you know we're live.
We are live.
it was 9mm in my fucking mouth.
That's my grandma.
I tried to do a lip flap, it didn't work.
Oh, you drank that whole double. Oh, dude.
Interview him right now.
How we feeling?
Live.
Like shit is how I fucking feel.
Fuck, I want my phone.
Honestly, it'd be better if it was a ski pole.
You too.
That's just my other crutch.
fucking with him.
That's just my other crutch.
You're just making him feel.
Well, no, he's proven to me I only really need this
I'm his
one.
emotional
support animal.
Emotional
person.
support brother.
Yeah.
So now,
I guess it's a disaster. It's like the 25
Well,
disaster.
it's a Nidecker. It's owned by Nidecker.
I barely know her.
We'll be right back.
Let me kiss it, make it feel better.
Hell yeah.
Merle, no. I'm gonna beat. I mean, the doctor prescribed blowjobs, but I don't want one.
How bad is it?
You know what though?
Surgery bad or?
No, probably like physical therapy, but like in all the years I've been snowboarding, for this to be it, I'm okay.
Yeah.
It just sucks because like I was getting ready to go to Vermont, and I really didn't do anything. Like I was in the half pipe, I came off the wall, coming across the flat. Mitch was, I caught up to Mitch, and I didn't want to hit him, so I just went hard toe side to like skid out, and I must have overextended my leg, and I heard it pop, and yeah, it just hurts like really bad. Like it's a lot of pain. But, you know, I mean, I'm very, dude, I have 7 compressed vertebrae in my neck. What is this on my back? Like, I could go somewhere to be paralyzed at any moment, and I never think about it. So for this to be an injury, it's like, fuck it, I don't care.
That tomorrow? Hey, Jerry, too. You working Laurel Highlands this year? Oh, shit! Yeah, I can make it across that whole patch right there.
No, you can't mud flap.
That's dude.
One day,
up!
Andrew.
Dude, I'm doing pussy, dude. I'm doing I can't make it this far, bro. I'm on the ground the whole way. I can't do it. I'm gonna die. Press me out now, I'm gonna get fucked up, son. Oh, shit.
You got it.
Oh, look, they're fucked.
You got it.
Oh, man. Oh, Merle.
Where'd you take all the snow?
Forever, dude.
Born. I would have.
Stand back. Stand up. Fuck. You good? No, I just threw him on the ground and I picked him up respectfully.
It was respectfully, but sexually. Shane! You have to jump onto the slope. I'm going down Goosebumps. I'm gonna touch your butt.
Thanks for being out here this season. Thank you. Thank you so much. You got any mac and cheese portables in there?
So shut up. Fucking shit right through the track. I knew that was either gonna look cool or I was gonna die.
You get a free bowl of soup in that can? What? Get a bowl of soup in that can.
But you gotta give chicken tendies because those are sauce.
Hell yeah.
Oh, dude, we got Pistol Pete out here. You're out working her all this weekend.
Oh, I charged out last week with my last week.
Hey, I got some. That is just not nice.
I had something to do with that.
Oh, they're serious on the last week.
Let's go. Yeah. Like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, moves won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time.
Hell yeah! One way to not end up in Vermont.
Here's come up to me this morning, tell him. Hey, but Chappelle, but do you have your pass? You come up to me this morning, okay, telling me about having a scannable item, right? And everybody rolls in handing me comp tickets today.
Yeah, he got 20 of them on deck right now. Swear to God.
Carrie, your shoes untied.
I'll ride in the back of the cab.
Yeah, let's go.
Berman's looking for you guys.
Oh, yeah,
Berman.
Who?
Oh, Andrew? Berman.
Yeah.
Oh, Andrew.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Kylie.
There needs to be snow on here.
I'll try my hardest. I was like Kyle's coming around the room.
That was sketch. Everyone's hit. Oh! Interview with Merle. How do we feel?
Oh, beautiful, baby.
Last
feel great.
Last week into the ski season.
Oh, we're gonna end it big.
That's what I always tell the ladies.
I know.
You're at karaoke with the Merle Curlin YouTube channel, baby.
Yo, you both signed me up for this song and then both flopped and set me up for failure.
He said I am Hey, your mom's here now. You see this number 53? It's his mother flipping birthday up in here. His name's Joey. We're gonna sing happy birthday to him. Guess how old he is? Anybody got a guess? You got it, 69. 69 years old. Alright guys, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joey. He's mother flipping 69. Happy birthday to you. Alright, we're gonna get him drunk now.
Limitations might
Carrie,
be reached.
you're part of the convoy to tomorrow night.
No way. You got him out here too?
How are you?
Good.
Are you part of the convoy tomorrow night?
Might be.
We're probably leaving Alpine about midnight.
He's on my feet. I don't know. I have to be there. I have to check in on what the heck. I can't believe what they let you out of prison.
What? Yeah, right?
Hey, this is some of the worst. I've seen it. We're still open.
I know. Garbage.